Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a baby unicorn enjoying a drink. So let's get started. To draw this cute unicorn, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right over and say about right here, draw another circle. So it's a little bit wider because I want to put in a curve in between the eyes for the snout. There. So now that I have two circles in, let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So now that I have eyes in, let's come over to the side right here. I'm just going to spruce them up with some lashes. So just two simple little curves right on the sides. There. Then from there, let's come above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve right over each eye. And then in between the eyes, let's draw a big curve. So say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve all the way across. And then let's come back in this area and we're going to draw lightly two little ovals for the nostril area. And then let's see here, let's draw this cute little mouth that is drinking a drink with a big straw. So I'm going to come about right here and I'm just going to draw a curve first. And then right in this area, I'm going to put another curve. Yum, right? So from there, let's go ahead and draw the face. We're going to come to the side. So let's start with the eyes, the top of your eyes come out a little bit. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And same thing over here. Then from there, I'm going to basically draw this dumpling shape that I usually do, like a bottom of a U. So let's come over here. And I'm going to bring down a curve. So a little bit straighter here. And then bring down a curve. And I'll bring this in a little bit more. So underneath the mouth, give some room for a straw. So I'll say about right here. There. From there, I'll just stop and finish the top first. So let's go to the top right here, nice and high. And I'm just imagining this big head. So let's go up right here. I'm going to drag this point across because it's easier for my hands to draw down on this side. And we're just building up. So we're just going to curve in there. So about right here, I'll stop right in the center. And then about right here, I'll just go ahead and draw a curve right there for the center for our horn. Then I'm going to go up right in the center and about right here. Round off the tip. And I'm going to bring down an angle line to create our horn. Then let's come in here and I'm just going to draw some curved lines to give our horn some dimension and detail. Then let's go ahead and bring this head up. So let's go up and we're going to end it about, let's see, about right here on both sides. And same thing here. And down to connect. Now that we have the top of the head in, let's go ahead and draw the ears. So in this area right here, I'm just going to go ahead and pop out an ear. Nice big curve that goes up to say about right there. Round off the tip and come right back down. And let's draw some details inside. So a little bit wider on this side and then thinner on this side. So it's the same thing here. I'll drag this point across, just approximate. And we go up, so drag this point across and about right here. Just give myself a point. Since I'm drawing pretty big, it just makes it a lot easier. And right there, round off the tip and come right back down. So once again, thicker on this side and thinner on this side. There. Okay, so now we have to add some hair, right? The mane right here to spruce up this unicorn here. So I'm going to come to the side. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve right there for a strand. Go up, and then I'm going to bring this all the way down. Whoop, and just curl it in a little bit and taper it off. Then on this side, just go ahead and add another one right here and curl there. And if you like to add some details, you can do this when you're coloring, but I'll just go ahead and draw in the strands. And let's see here, maybe one here. Here and one more. That way you can put in a lot of color in the hair right there, the top. Okay, so now that we have that done, let's come back and I'm going to finish this curve. So I'm going to bring this in a little bit more. And here as well. So I'm not closing it off because I need to have room to put my drink in. So I'll just stop about right there, just make it a little bit more even. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead, go to the side about right here. And here, nice and even, I'm going to go ahead and draw the body. So let's come right here. I'm going to start a curve. So we're making this nice and chubby for a baby unicorn, right? Okay, so then from there, let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw the front. So come about right here towards the center. Round this off and bring it in. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Come towards the center, down, and back up. Just like the other side. Then let's come back in here. We draw a curve and a curve. Okay, so now let's keep going. So we're going to bring this down and about right here, we're going to dip it in a little bit and come out. Just to give the body a little bit of shape in and then out for the legs. So then let's say right there, I'm going to go ahead and bring this down a little bit more. So now we're going to start the legs. So let's make this a little bit easier. Let's come right here and I'm going to draw a curve. Comes down. Let's work on this side first and I'm going to go around as if I'm drawing an oval for the hoof. I'm just going to go ahead and draw an oval right here and then connect this. And then let's come right here and draw another curve to finish it off. So same thing here, just start about right here, come down, draw an oval. So we're going to curve and connect back. And then right here, just put in this oval. And then one more curve. And now that we have the feet in, let's come in between and about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and put in a little curve right here to finish it off. And so now to draw this cutest part is the drink. So whatever drink you want, I thought it'd be really cute to have this baby unicorn drinking some boba. So if you want to do that, let's come about right here and here. And I'm going to put in a cup. So you can have your unicorn drinking maybe a frappuccino, some milk, whatever you want. Just put your drink right in this area. So I have a cup in here and I'm going to come to the top, draw another curve for the lid area. I'm going to give a little angle for the cap. Draw some lines right here to finish it off. And let's put in this straw. So right here is going to be my big lid. Big dome. So let's come in the mouth right here. I'm going to draw a straw that comes down. And in this area, I'm just going to go ahead and curve it and finish it off and then finish my dome for my drink. There. And then to decorate it, I'm going to put in a little circle right here. And put a heart for my Draw So Cute baby unicorn. My wobbly circle. And then I'm just going to draw some boba here. Just add some circles right here at the bottom. And let's see, I'm going to bring this in a tiny bit more, but I won't close it. And then you can just continue this curve right here. And I'm going to bring in a curve right there for the tummy area, so we can add some color to our unicorn there. And then we're going to have to draw a tail, of course. So I'm going to come right in this area, about right here. And I'm just going to curve the tail right here. Curve it out, and then just bring it right back in. And there's some details. Strand. And some more strands there. Okay, and then that is pretty much it. So that would be for, oh wait, what am I missing here? For a unicorn. But if you want to add some wings, I thought it'd be really cute. You can add some wings right here. I know that might make it a Pegasus, but I'm still calling this a unicorn. There. Just come right in here and add some little detail. And same thing over here. It's always cuter with a little wing, right? Here. Our baby unicorn could just be playing dress up and putting on a pair of wings. And inside for some details. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this baby unicorn enjoying some boba, and that inspires you to draw it fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if I did help you and you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.